This past week, I have become aware that there is a conspiracy to addict me to AI. Do I have any addictions currently? No, I'm not into heroin or cocaine or anything, even marijuana or anything like that. But yeah, I do have some addictions. I'm addicted to TV. I'm addicted to electricity. I'm addicted to water. I'm addicted to my house being warm when it's below zero outside. I'm addicted to these things. Well, how did I become addicted to all these things? Well, like in TV, it used to be free. And then they put a price on it. And electricity. When they had discovered electricity and nobody was buying it, they put up streetlights in the major cities. And then people said, I want some of that in my house. Now we're all addicted to it. Whatever it costs, we will pay. And that is what's about to happen, or is happening, with AI. It happened with the internet. You're addicted to it. They take it away, your life isn't the same. That's what they're going to do with AI. I got involved this past week with two of the hyperscalers. They've recognized that I have something good going on, that I'm helping people, everyday people, mainstream people, make big money in the stock market by using artificial intelligence to help them identify who the stocks are that are going to benefit from this addiction that they're going to lay on us for AI. So what they have come and said to me is, you come into our fold, our organization, and we'll give you $5,000 worth of credits. This is two of the hyperscalers, to help you find your next step through AI. And what we'll do is next week, we'll review what you're saying you want to do and what Best of Us Investors has to offer the world. And we'll decide with those 5,000 credits that you have for our services, whether or not your product, your business is part of our addiction system. Then they say, then we'll bring a team of experts in that will help you automize your business using AI to make it grow. They will give me up to $150,000 of credits, these two hyperscalers, to develop my product that will help individuals make better investment decisions and potentially make them wealthy. And they want to help me do that. But in order to get me to share my information, they have to give me something for free. Does that sound like, if you're a cocaine addict, is that how you got involved in cocaine? Did a dealer meet you on a street corner and say, here, try this for free? Well, that's what they did with TV. I'd hate to figure out what I spend a month on TV and internet that used to be free, that I'm now addicted to. This is what's happening. And you might say, well, there's no way I would become addicted to it. You probably said that about the internet too, didn't you? And you probably said that when you put the antenna on your roof back in the 50s, that this is all free. It's all supported by advertising, just like Google. It's all supported by advertising. But wait, maybe I do send a little money to Google every month, and maybe I do buy my pictures from the last year from Facebook every year and put an album on my table. And maybe I do buy my Christmas cards that it used to be next to nothing, and now it's $300 a year to send out a Christmas card with you and your family's pretty face on it and share. It's all about addiction. And you need to recognize, and I don't want you to fight it, because you won't be able to fight it, because it is going to change your world very positively. Just to use me as an example. If, in fact, I can take people who have a small 401k that they got from their employer and now put it in their hands in the form of an IRA. And rather than getting an average of 7% growth per year, they can now get 7% growth per month. And that's what we're achieving thus far with Best of Us investors. If I can do that, will people become addicted to it? Will it make their lives better? And they will say, hell yes, I'll pay you $60 a month to help me take my $50,000 that I have in my IRA and turn it into $1 million in the next 5-10 years. Would you become addicted to that? Of course you would. And that's what I'm learning as I'm sitting a week ago and saying, how am I going to make more people aware of what I can do for them? How can I make more people's lives better? And I just had contact with the AI cartel. They are going to help me addict you to achieving wealth and achieving better parts, better health, better whatever. They've recognized that this is the next addiction. And they're not a part of the cartel. And they're going to make your life better. So, what am I doing? Well, I'm going to find out which one has the best deal. Right now, they're from what did I do? When I heard of this, I said, this is a scam. This has got to be a scam. So what did I do? I went and asked Samantha, are you aware that these two companies are offering this kind of program, and are they legitimate? Or is this some sort of scam that I need to be aware of? Well, Samantha opened my eyes up. And she says, this is for real, Kerry. This is what it is. And this is how you make application so that you can become a part of it. So that you can take Best of Us investors to the next level, and you can change the way people invest in America, invest in the economies of the world. You can move Wall Street to Main Street. I mean, you've got to know. You see Elon Musk. How did he get from South Africa to the wealthiest man in the world? How did Jeff Bezos get from a divorced mother living in Florida to the second richest man in the world? How did that happen? Addiction. Are they part of the cartel? No. But they all operate on the same business plan. Really. They all operate on the same business plan. And that's what I'm going to do with Best of Us investors. I'm going to collaborate with the AI cartel, the people who are spending billions and billions of dollars to put themselves in the position of being the supplier of the next thing that the world is going to become addicted to. I hope this enlightens you. I hope you now have a better understanding of what AI is and why you have the people from Amazon, Google, Microsoft, and Meta betting their fortunes on you becoming addicted to AI. Don't fight this. Figure it out. See where you fit into it, how you can benefit from it, and become addicted. Because those of us who invest in the cartel, the hyperscalers, are going to become stinking rich. Now, we have an opportunity before that, which is called the build-out. Same thing that happened with the internet. And same thing that happened with electricity, same thing that happened with TV, same thing that happened with automobiles. You name it. If you can't live without it, you're an addict. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. I'm done with financial advice. I'm in the business of making millionaires. And if you want to be a part of it, go to the link in the description, explore it, see if it's right for you, and then you make a decision. Do you want to be a millionaire or don't you? Do you want to be a part of the next addiction of the citizens of the world? Talk to you more about your next addiction in the coming days.